Conjunctions are connectors. Connector is a word or a phrase that joins two sentences or group of words together. They are also known as conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions links two or more words, clauses, phrases, or sentences of equal importance. Common coordinating conjunctions are and, but, or, therefore, as well as, to, else, otherwise, still, yet, while, however, so, consequently, for. Subordinating conjunctions are the words that links the dependent clauses to independent clauses. Some common subordinating conjunctions are after, as, until, unless, when, whenever, as soon as if, as though, because, before, even if, even though, if, since, so that, though, till, where, wherever, whether, while, why. A correlative conjunction is a type of conjunction that functions in a pair. Some common correlative conjunctions are either or, both and, neither nor, not only, but also, such as, such that, so as so, no sooner, rather than, whether. Some examples of correlative conjunctions. The first sentence, Shruti wants either the chocolates or the cake. Here, either or is the conjunction. She said that she would like to have both the chocolates and the cake. Here, both the chocolates and the cake. You can have neither the cake nor the ice cream. Here, neither nor. I have not yet decided whether I will have the cake or the ice cream. Here, whether or. She ate not only the chocolates but also the ice creams. So, not only but also. Abhirami is both cute and lovely. Underline the conjunctions in the following sentences. Revati and Rohini are friends, and if you say so, I will believe it. So, Shekhar is intelligent but careless. The bus was overcrowded, so Arun avoided traveling in it. Though Vinay is ill, he doesn't skip the class. Though. Fill in the blanks in the following sentences with the suitable conjunction given in the box. I returned home dash the bus had started. I returned home after the bus has started. I respect him dash he is very strict. I respect him although he is very strict. Sudarshan will succeed dash he works hard. If he work hard. Aravind dash Arun are the classmates from their childhood. Aravind and Arun are classmates from their childhood. You can't have your fruits dash you take your food unless you take your food unless. Choose the correct conjunctions from the options given in the bracket. Everyone likes him dash he is very helpful. Everyone likes him because he is very helpful. Dash it was cloudy. We decided to take an umbrella. As it was cloudy, we decided to take an umbrella. Radhi found her watch dash she had left it. Radhi found her watch where he left it. I don't know dash I can offer to buy a new dress or not. Whether I can offer to buy a new dress or not. Dash he was ill, he went to the doctor. As he was ill, he went to the doctor.